Hello again. In the previous video we started speaking about differentiation, and now I would like to introduce you to a model developed by Urbany and Davis, which was published in Harvard's Business Review in 2007, which is basically deepening into this. The model is called the three-circle model. So as usual, we have to start with our customers. So this circle is going to represent what are the wishes, what are the needs that our customers have. For coming up with this, obviously we are going to do market research, and we are going to understand two different kind of needs. Those that are explicit, those that the customers are sharing with us, but that also those that are latent, which are those that are not explicitly manifested, but are actually there. The next thing we have to do is we have to move into a second circle, which is going to represent our company, and specifically what's our company offering as perceived by these customers. So what we're going to do is we're going to speak to these customers and we're going to ask them till what extent our company offering is satisfying their needs, the wishes that they have. And as you can see, there is an intersection between the two circles, which is basically telling us till what extent our offering is complying, is satisfying with those wishes and needs. And obviously, in order to complete the analysis, we have to move into our competitors, which are going to be represented by this third circle. So again, we're going to go back to those customers and we're going to ask them about the competitors until what extent the offering that we have from their side is satisfying their needs. So we're coming up with different intersections here. Let me explain you how to understand each of them. As you can see, there is a common intersection between the three circles, okay, which is this area here. And this is basically what we call the point of parity, which is basically what we have in common with competitors to satisfy the needs and wishes that our customers have. And this is basically the minimum we need to comply with in order to be able to compete in this category, in order to be considered, if you like, by this pool of customers we are trying to reach out. And on top of that, we can also identify two other areas. This area here could be the point of difference that we have over competition, which is basically what's unique about our offering that complies with the wishes, with the needs that these customers, that our competitors are not having. And on the other hand, obviously, we also have to speak about the point of difference that our competitors have for this target group when compared with us. So this is a very, very visual way of understanding where are we in terms of value delivery. What's the minimum we have to comply with? What's the difference we are delivering over competition, and what competition is doing better than we are in terms of satisfying these customers? And of course, this is a model, this is a kind of screenshot, okay, that basically tell us where we stand today. But this will help us to move strategically, in the sense that we may want to redefine our offering, because there are quite a few things here, as you can see in this circle, that are irrelevant to the customer. So yes, we might want to redefine our offering, evolve it. And of course, there are other pool of attributes that our competitors are offering that we may also want to include in order to be more competitive. This is a quite dynamic process, and this is something that we have to keep on evolving and evolving again and again. In the next videos, what we're going to do is we're going to work with this point of parity, point of differentiation. We're going to share with you different strategies you could follow for defining your offerings, for standing out, for being competitive, and also some practical tools to get the job done. Thank you very much.